Kurumjay, a very good evening. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV and I'm Victoria Rajkumari. First, the headlines. National Highway 37 cut off between Sivilong and Kamai in Tamenglong district after massive landslide triggered by torrential rainfall. The IPR Manipur organizes workshop on application of artificial intelligence in journalism and media fact-checking practices to combat misinformation. CEO of National Health Authority, Dr. Sunil Kumar Vanwal, launches State Model District under Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission to boost digital health ecosystem in Manipur. And the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal achieves historic milestone by successfully performing first ever Pentol procedure in Manipur. And now to top stories. Vehicular movement along Imphal-Jiribam Road on National Highway 37 has been completely cut off due to landslides and landslips at 3 locations triggered by torrential rainfall. According to police sources, a major landslide and landslip occurred at Santi Kuno near the CRPF camp between Sibilong and Kamai villages under Kamai police station in Tamenglong district. Additional landslides were reported at Oinamlong 0 Point and Nungdalan. Reports indicate that it may take another 2 to 3 days to reconstruct diversion roads and restore vehicular movement along the highway. Meanwhile, security convoy escorting loaded trucks from Jiribam side was cancelled today due to the disaster. On the other hand, numerous empty trucks travelling from Imphal towards Jiribam have been stranded at various locations while awaiting resumption of traffic. It may be noted that the Imphal-Jiribam Road on National Highway 37 is the lifeline for Manipur, connecting the state with Assam and other parts of the country and serving as a crucial route for transportation of essential commodities. A one-day media workshop on the topic, Application of Artificial Intelligence in Journalism and Media Fact-Checking, was held today at DIPR Auditorium located at Nitya Park to take Imphal. The inaugural function of the workshop organized by Department of Information and Public Relations at DIPR was graced by IPR Secretary Hungyo Wershang and Director Dr. T.H. Charanjit as main dignitaries. Speaking at the function, Hungyo Wershang emphasized how the impact of social media has led to a decline in newspaper readership and television news viewership. He further highlighted that the various AI applications could possibly become a tough competition for conventional media in the near future. While underscoring the need for adequate knowledge on the wise use of AI, including how to identify fake and incorrect information, the Secretary appealed to local journalists to reap the benefits of technology.
Social media news mobile journalist interface so it is journalism and journalists AI competition at the same time Messy workshops in important AI tools.
Dr. T.H. Charanjit highlighted the growing demands for AI and its benefits in the field of journalism. He added that the workshop aimed to enhance journalistic work through AI applications while urging attendees to obtain the useful knowledge shared by the resource persons. During the technical sessions, Chairman and Managing Director of Cube 10 Technologies Private Limited, Dr. Hobam Joyremba, delivered lectures on AI myth and reality. Head of Computer Science Department, Manipur Technical University, Dr. Hanzabam Sadachandra, and Academic Head of Nelit Akampad, Dr. Ngangom Bubo, also spoke on foundations of AI in journalism and misinformation and AI-powered newsroom productivity and verification respectively.
News journalism credibility aduna masising asi yengaga koi na sigi workshop asida koi di resource person sitting tauraga koi di field da gain phasana artificial intelligence season abada knowledge adu gain dominancy haibagi wakhan ronda masigi workshop asi panthok sadani.
Chief Executive Officer of National Health Authority, Dr. Sunil Kumar Vanwal, has launched the State Model District under Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission during a function that was held at Classic Grande, Chingmirong today. The event was jointly organized by Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Manipur and Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Commissioner cum Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur, Suman Singh, Director of National Health Authority, Dr. Pankaj Kumar Arora, Imphal West DC, Mayang Langbam Rajkumar, Director of RIMS, G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Director of Jenims, Samojit Salam, along officials from Health Services attended the program. Speaking in the program, Dr. Sunil Kumar Banwal said, Prime Minister Jan Arogya Yojana is world's largest government-funded healthcare finance scheme, which covers 80,000 patients daily. Centre and state government spends 1.9 lakh crore rupees to provide healthcare to about 12 crore persons annually. For Manipur, targets have been set up to issue Ayushman Bharat card to 16 lakh individuals. Further, Dr. Sunil maintained that Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission will play active role in further enhancement of treatment through use of artificial intelligence and in maintaining digital data for patients.
We are looking at digital health in this country, and to promote digital health and rather establish an effective digital health ecosystem in the country. It's very important to be a part of a larger system. And Manipur, though being a small state, is extremely important that the people of Manipur get integrated with the national system, take advantage.
Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal has achieved a historic milestone by successfully performing the first ever Bentol procedure in Manipur on June 18. The surgery was carried out on a patient suffering from severe aortic valve regurgitation along with dilatation of the aortic root and ascending aorta. The Bentol procedure involves replacement of the aortic valve, aortic root and ascending aorta. It is considered one of the most complex open heart surgeries performed worldwide. The patient has recovered well and is currently in satisfactory condition. The operation was performed by Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery CTVS team led by Professor Thokchom Chito and Cardiac Anesthesia team led by Professor L. Pradeep Kumar. It was performed under the guidance of former head of Department of CTVS, PGI Chandigarh, Professor Shyam Kumar Thingnam. In another major achievement, the CTVS team also performed coronary artery bypass grafting, in short CABG, for the first time at RIMS during the same week. The department has been conducting heart valve replacement surgeries and congenital cardiac procedures. Director of RIMS congratulated the surgeons, anesthetists, perfusionists, nurses and support staff for the success. He said the achievements reflects the Institute's growing capabilities and commitment to providing state-of-the-art healthcare. The new services will allow many patients to undergo specialized cardiac surgeries in Manipur instead of traveling outside the state for treatment. Former Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today visited Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jenims and met with Naga women who are still undergoing treatment following recent incident of abduction and killing. During the visit, N. Biren interacted with Naga women and heard their grievances and also wished for the speedy recovery. Later, in a post on X, N. Biren wrote that he was deeply saddened to see their continued pain and suffering, and that he stands with these brave women in their difficult time of healing and praying for their complete recovery and strength.
Sarakushi Koilebak. Asumana. Namale Kuji. Look to my phone. Aku yang sumsi ke tu ni dia makan situ ke. Ngai pada kau dia muak ni.
Sekarang operation kau dulu, kalau kita main lagi jom kalau tahu dia ni cuma tu agak ni sangat demi dia. Bukan orang.
Wangkai MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar formally inaugurated a classroom and a computer room at Lamlong Higher Secondary School, Imphal. The event was also attended by IMC Worth number 23 Corporator Lokshambam Romola Devi, UPC Club Thongdam Lekai President Ningombam Arun Kumar and Lamlong Higher Secondary School Principal AMW Thararong as the main dignitaries. Speaking at the function, MLA Arun Kumar announced an extensive development roadmap to further upgrade the school's facilities. He committed to enhancing the overall school infrastructure by constructing secured boundary fencing, proper drainage system, and developing the school ground. Teaching and non-teaching staff of the school also praised the MLA's dedication towards improving the educational institute. Deputy Commissioner Senapati has informed that National Highway number 102A, which connects Tadubi and Ukhrul, will remain closed from 7 p.m. of June 27 till 7 p.m. of July 17, owing to road repair work at Phaibung Khulen to Vaisichu stretch. In a notice issued by Deputy Commissioner of Senapati, Dharun Kumar, it is informed that the road stretch will be under repair due to reported incidents of landslide, and travelling in the highway is not safe for general public. And on the note, let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching. Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV, now proceeding with other news. Peace and Integrity Committee, Kiamgai, in short PIC, convener Chingtham Megachandra has called on the state government to immediately release the arrested Arambai Tengol volunteers without any conditions, stating that they are law-abiding and peace-loving citizens. He was speaking on the sideline of a sit-in protest against the arrest of the organization's members at Kiamgai Pal Ahanbi today. The protest was jointly organized by PIC and Kiamgai Nupi Chaukat Thaurang Lup. Speaking further, Meghachandra argued that the surrendering of arms and ammunition by Arambai Tengol volunteers following the issuance of a formal directive by the Manipur governor on February 20, 2025, instructing all communities to voluntarily surrender looted and illegal arms within 7 days proves that they are law-abiding and peace-loving citizens. He further decried that the government is arresting Arambai Tengol volunteers now, in contrast to the governor's alleged assurance to drop all cases against those who adhere to the instruction. Meghachandra questioned whether the government has taken any action against the Kuki armed groups who allegedly refused to surrender their arms and ammunition at the time. He warned that the arrests of Arambai Tengol volunteers may spark fresh tensions and provoke peace-loving citizens.
Arambai Tengol gi isa inausi hajan gi bedu akoi yaning da phongtokpani aga akoi na hajan ni se governor ha sidi head of the state ni state amagi khodi chawgo se mane governor na loi chawe asida governor na ha gi wafam ma sida praja khoi na thaja ba thamaga mama go bisi na thaja ba thamaga adu ora tena bada ngasi pale belenga sina khoi atamana phal pololakwa to pasida mama oi basinna pm da budu ne ngasi khoi na phongtok chari se aduna ngasi gi leibiri ba government ubiri ba minister sing Minister aduga ruling MLA operation MLA haiba sina.
Meanwhile, all Kiamgai Nupi Chaukat Thaurang Lup General Secretary Akongbam Ibeaima accused the government of turning against the people instead of cracking down on the perpetrators responsible for killing the civilians. She also criticized the government for failing to address the hardships endured by the internally displaced persons and general public amidst the crisis.
Makoina tawgadaba thabak to mama lebak tanda yade haidana Arambai isa sing tholakana Manipur se taring hibaneba megi 23 dadi Arambai je tholam ta gadi nasi Manipur kari oidam gadageba.
Lamlong Kaithel Phambi Apunban Lup Nupi Lup has warned to intensify agitation if relevant authority fails to secure the release of arrested Arambai Tengol members without any condition. A sit-in was held at Lamlong Kaithel by members of Lamlong Kaithel Phambi Apunban Nupi Lup, Mairapaibi Kurai and Wusu to condemn the arrest of 480 members by NIA. Speaking on the sideline, President of Lamlong Kaithel Phambi Apunban Nupi Lup, R.K. Dhanapati, reiterated that Arambai Tengol protected the people of Manipur when government had failed to perform its duties. Arambai Tengol had handed over the weapons after reaching an agreement with governor to absolve 80 members from arrest. Further, Dhanapati demanded government to fulfill their promise and to secure the release of 80 members at the earliest without any conditions.
Yanabagi matong na tingala o na tinga karabane tinga karaba matong isda makoi ki karamba brown da makoi da kari leidana kari marangi kari marangi tisi phagala ibani sini akoi prajamya akoi na governor da hangning si ngapi gada ba center government ga Manipur se ga double engine loidana parapa matam sidagi center government su yengbiraka ba state se Manipur state se leibak sing ngapi da badagi isa sing thoraga ilaiba iramdam gi mama masak kanna matholapane.
Komla Khong Apunwa Mairapaibi took off the sit-in at Komla Khong Iraima Lampak, demanding the release of Arambai Tengol members who have been arrested by NIA. Speaking on the sideline, a Mairapaibi member demanded immediate release of Arambai Tengol members without any condition, while reminding that Arambai Tengol protected the people during crisis. She also warned to initiate agitation if Arambai Tengol members are not released.
Mamang the governor ga Arambai ga yanaki bagi matung ina makoi na pairamba kulai sing loi na pikhat khrabani aduga hauji amuk Arambai harakli ba ase yaning de aikhoi gi isa sing lan tawdringai da su nomduna leijarambani tasengna sarkar asina tawkham thokpa thabak tawraktabadagi isa sing asina khutta kulai paiduna mayok narage haiduna tholakibani maram.
Foothills Naga Coordination Committee (FNCC) has expressed shock and disappointment over security operation reportedly carried out by Cobra unit of CRPF and Assam Rifles at Lailong Baipai on June 21st. In a statement, the committee claimed that nearly 100 armed members of Kuki militant groups, including KNFP, UKNA and KRA, were surrounded during the operation. FNCC said the operation provided a rare opportunity to arrest suspects allegedly involved in the abduction of 18 Naga civilians and the killing of 6 Nagas. However, the committee alleged that no arrests were made despite an exchange of gunfire and use of explosives during the operation. FNCC further alleged that intervention by Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen affected the course of the operation. According to the committee, deadlines were repeatedly extended before security forces eventually withdrew. FNCC claimed the militants later moved to nearby camps and escaped arrest. The committee questioned who ordered the withdrawal and called for greater transparency and accountability. It said the outcome of the operation has weakened public confidence and delayed justice for the victims. The committee also urged the authorities to take firm action against those responsible for violence and criminal activities in the state. Citing a lack of meaningful outcomes and zero arrests from the June 21st joint security operation in Lailong Baipai, the Naga People's Organization (NPO) sought accountability from the CRPF's Cobra unit and other involved security forces. In a press release, the organization stated that gunfire and explosives were reported during the operation. It further cited reports of security forces surrounded nearly 100 armed insurgents belonging to the KNFP, UKNA and KRA groups, whom the NPO accused of abducting 18 innocent Naga civilians and subsequently butchering 6 of them. The organization raised concerns over the intent of the security forces behind the operation and decried the lack of arrests even after a considerable number of security personnel reportedly advanced towards the KNFP Ebenezer camp on June 23rd. They reminded security forces that the mortal remains of the 6 butchered Naga civilians still lie in the Jennings mortuary awaiting justice. Noting that a charter of demands has already been submitted to Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Manipur Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, the NPO aided that the early morning lathi charge, arrest and detention of peaceful democratic protesters at Namdilong, Kangla Tongbi on June 24th cannot be justified under any circumstances. The organization also warned that the Naga people will be compelled to intensify their democratic agitation, potentially interrupting the movement of military convoys and supplies if security forces continue to resort to high-handed actions against peaceful protesters. Tribal Youth Council Manipur (TYCM) has drawn the attention of government and relevant authority on prolonged non-conduct of recruitment to various vacant posts in Directorate of Travel Affairs and Health Department, Travel Research Institute (TRI), and Manipur Tribal Development Corporation Limited (MTDC). In a press note issued by its Media and Information Department, TYCM alleged that state government's delay to take up recruitment for vacant posts in Directorate of Tribal Affairs and Health Department, TRI, and MTDC shows that government is not serious in development of travel communities in Manipur and lacks sincere intention to uplift travel communities of Manipur. It further informed that Directorate of Travel Affairs and Health Department has a sanctioned strength of 138 staffs. However, only 38 are currently in position and 100 posts remained vacant till date. TRI has sanctioned a strength of 33 employees, but only 13 are currently in position and 20 posts remained vacant. On the other hand, MTDC has sanctioned a strength of 108 staffs, but only 92 are currently being appointed and 62 posts remained vacant. The press note further informed that TYCM has submitted a representation to Chief Minister on June 23rd, urging to conduct the recruitment to fill vacant posts in these 3 departments and institutions. Further, TYCM has appealed state government to address the grievances and acknowledge the sentiments of tribal communities of Manipur. Irawat Foundation Manipur IFM, in collaboration with the Department of Agriculture, distributed urea to the farmers at Samaram Mayailekai in Thoubal district today. Speaking on the sideline, Assistant Fertilizer Officer Sanatomba Loitongbam stated that the fertilizers were allocated to farmers who presented valid land documents and soil health cards. He further said that the initiative was taken up after IFM approached the Director of Agriculture to urgently address the acute fertilizer shortage in the area. Sanatomba also urged the farmers who have not yet received their allocation to remain patient, while assuring them that the department is committed to distributing the necessary fertilizers in a phased manner to cover everyone. Meanwhile, IFM President Kunjan Mayum Gopan emphasized the importance of utilizing available paddy fields efficiently to boost agricultural productivity and make the state self-reliant in food production. He further urged farmers to apply fertilizers judiciously and only in required quantities after conducting proper soil testing. Gopan also reassured the farming community that the foundation, in coordination with the department, will ensure every eligible farmer receives their necessary quota of fertilizer.
Department of Director Peter Salavi guidance Makada, farmers the Magita Kala be racing the Pongan Jabiki Wakalonda, as he be distribution to them. Mapamsida Quina Hana priority Pivaze, Mapamsida soil health card campaign Pantokre, Mapamsida soil health card Samagi Matata, Sigi Mapamsigi Pai, Sigi soil health cards, Pibasing City, Hamagi past priorities the Muihana, Loinama Pitokrani, soil health card, Pibasina Karigino Hakanda, I guess soil Zitaka am Harmatokari, no Matokari, no have do soil health cards, the Louis Eve, Aduna Adu Idamina, Adugi Aiba Dudan Kambasing, Dudan Muihana, Piraga, Mu the priority Pirani Maramdi, Patunga Matumanauda, soil health in Hazana, Tonanaba, Penamoida, Ewanesama Pivani.
Manipur Youth Lake Mayol conducted a poster campaign at Nambol area as a part of its mass awareness campaign on the theme Politics, a noble Lion vote with the aim to create awareness on well-informed and fair election. Posters containing 9 slogans were distributed to people and passenger vehicle owners. The slogans included a message on negative impacts of vote vying through money and favors, and on the importance of choosing capable representatives through free and fair election. Punjab and Sindh Bank Dwalaland branch has donated 3 wheelchairs to Mother's Care Hospital, Sagolban Moiranglerak, as a part of corporate social responsibility and to mark 119th anniversary of Punjab and Sindh Bank. A team including a senior manager of Punjab and Sindh Bank Dwalaland branch, Longjam Bishwas Mete, branch manager of PSB Imphal branch, A. Lucky S. Panmay, branch manager of Lifam Sifai branch, A. Sarvin Ura, donated the wheelchairs by visiting the hospital. Speaking on the sideline, senior manager Longjam Bishwas Mete highlighted the initiative taken up by the bank under corporate social responsibility and assured that the bank will continue to serve its customers and people in the state. On the other hand, Chairman cum Managing Director of Mother's Care Hospital, Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, maintained that Punjab and Sindh Bank has been a partner of Mother's Care Hospital and appreciated the assistance provided by the bank.
Punjab and Sindh Bank 119 suba foundation day ga mari lenana koi bank corporate social responsibility haiba initiative sigi makada India da leiba afam khodi makka koi society sida service piba organization singi manungda koina nasi ase Mothers Care Hospital se choose tawjaraga moina koi Manipur da yamna vital oiba service provide tawbai damakta koina koi service asibu appreciate tawjabu oina wheelchair se donate tawjabu. corporate social responsibility oina koi kulishap PPD pase koi osalian thagat chaw botok sei aduga Punjab Sin Bank se koi loinezari support obidara ni khata bon su samina naba koi kantawi very friendly koi yamna supportive oiba bank partner oi koi thank you very much Punjab Sin Bank.
And Sin Bank also provided one RO water cooler filter each at OPT block of Jenims and at Manipur Technical University as it celebrates 119th anniversary. Speaking in this regard, Medical Superintendent of Jenims, Dr. K.H. Lokeshwar, expressed confidence that the RO water filter provided by Punjab and Sin Bank under its CSR initiative will help visitors to access clean drinking water in the hospital and appeal people to properly utilize this RO water cooler filter unit.
Hospital OPT block Punjab and Sin Bank Manipuri Imphal ki Samkama Subam Monga Luna the Laiba and I like the Laiba from the city for the Enemy Samaka Pananga Aropa Iramasi Jenny Tarapati Simanui contribution Katuba Simanaki
United People's Front, UPF Manipur Kokching District Council was established yesterday and office bearers have been appointed during a function that was held at the office of Thawal Ima in Wabagai Kaithil. President of UPF Manipur, Nongthombam Rupachandra, administered oath to newly appointed office bearers. Thongnaujam Premchand Mite has been appointed as District President, Ningthokcham Nabukumar as District Vice President, Momocha as Secretary, Tokcham Amarjit as Finance Secretary, Nomaitem Suresh as Organizing Secretary. And now the sports news. Anoba Imagi Mangal AIM Khabam clinched the 65th Sir Churchan Singh KCSY SI CBE Memorial Football Tournament 2025-26 title by defeating Utlo FC by 4-2 in a thrilling penalty shootout this afternoon at Napal Kangjibung Imphal. AIM opened their account in the 33rd minute with Sapam Topper scoring the goal. However, David Yindrembam of Utlo FC equalized in the 87th minute. Later, both teams failed to break the deadlock during a regular and stoppage time. The match was then pushed to a decisive penalty shootout where AIM ultimately sealed their victory. The closing ceremony of the prestigious football tournament was graced by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan, Youth Affairs and Sports Secretary Nauram Praveen, All Manipur Football Association AMFA Acting President DB Kaura, Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Private Limited Managing Director Dr. T.H. Doubly, Additional Advocate General Manipur M. Devananda and Padma Shri Thongnaujam Chauba as main dignitaries. The tournament was organized by AMFA and sponsored by Babina Group. Portugal, Croatia and Colombia won their respective matches in the ongoing FIFA World Cup 2026, being co-hosted by USA, Canada and Mexico. In the Group K match that was played last night, Portugal defeated Uzbekistan by 5-0. Cristiano Ronaldo scored twice and etched his own name into tournament history by becoming the first football player to score in 6 editions of the competitions. Meanwhile, in Group L matches, England play out the goal-less draw with Ghana, while Croatia beat Panama by 1-0. On the other hand, Colombia defeated DR Congo 1-0 in Group K match. In the next matches, Switzerland will play Canada, while Bosnia and Herzegovina will face Qatar at 12:30 a.m. later tonight. In another matches, Morocco will face Haiti, while Scotland will play Brazil at 3:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. Further, South Africa will play South Korea, whilst Czechia will take on Mexico at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. The prize distribution ceremony of 34th All Manipur Shooting Competition 2026, organized by the Manipur Rifle Association Imphal, was held today at Taukthong Shooting Range. The event was attended by Yas Minister Govindas Konthauzam as the chief guest, while Keshamthong MLA Sapam Nishikant and Hairok MLA Thokchom Radhesham attended as guests of honor and president respectively. The shooting competition commenced on June 14 and concluded on June 21st. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Centre, Imphal, Manipur recorded a maximum temperature of 30.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was recorded at 23 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 97% in the morning and 62% in the evening today. As per report, Manipur received 7.2 millimeters of rainfall in the last 24 hours. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. National Highway 37 cut off between Sivilong and Kamai in Tamenglong district after massive landslide triggered by torrential rainfall. DIPR Manipur organizes workshop on application of artificial intelligence in journalism and media fact-checking practices to combat misinformation. CEO of National Health Authority, Dr. Sunil Kumar Banwal, launches State Model District under Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission to boost digital health ecosystem in Manipur. And Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal achieves historic milestone by successfully performing first ever Bentol procedure in Manipur. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Good night.